Hi there. In our last section, you learned how to find the differentiation of an inverse trigonometric function. We also did some problems related to inverse trigonometric functions. In this section, we are going to learn what an exponential and logarithmic functions are and how to differentiate them. So, let's begin. Exponential functions. The exponential functions with base b is given as f of x is equal to b to the power x, where b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1, and x is any real number. Let's consider an example of an exponential function. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider an example y is equal to fx and that is equal to the power x. Let's create a table and consider some particular values of x to find the values of y. And if we do that, our table will look like this. So let's talk about this table. The first column is x, the second column is fx equals to 2 to the power x, and my third column is my y value. What I'm doing over here, I'm going to consider some values of x and then I will find the values of y related to that particular value of x. So my first value is -2. So when x is -2, if I plug in that -2 over here, I will get my y equals to 1/4. In the same way, when x is -1, I will get my y as 1/2. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 2. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is 3, y is 8. And when x is 4, y is 16. Every time I got the values of y, I got by substituting the value of x over here in the second column into the function. Let's graph a function using this table. So this is my graph, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and this is my graph using those values. So let's see. When x is -2, y is 1/4 right here. When x is -1, y is 1/2. So x is -1, y is 1/2. When x is 0, y is 1. As you can see, x is 0, y is 1. X is 1, y is 2. So x is 1, and y is 1, 2, 2. In the same way, I got all other values of x and y. And this is my graph for function y is equal to 2 to the power x.